go. Jack. Oh. That's BS, my guy. Hey, boy. Oh, you can stand up again, guys.
Ice water turn Atlantic, night calling in a phantom. Told them hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bridges undercover. I'm an asset.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Lefty, back with another video here. Oh hi, I'm a boy Lefty too.
Yo, Jack, we out here, baby. Oh, the pumpkin guy.
Oh God!
Dale!
Oh God!
Watch out, dude, the corners, the corners. Oh! Hey! And we're going to Busch Gardens. Now yesterday we didn't really film anything about Universal because they're very strict, number one. Number two, we didn't bring the GoPro, which we can actually record GoPro footage of the rides and the houses. Same exact video, just the next day. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at the park. Don't wanna spend that much time here. But yo, Chris, you ready, baby? Hey! Mateo! Yo, hey! Oh!
Chad's just getting on the track.
Oh! Hey! They're already waiting for us. Bruh.
What are you looking at?
You! Oh! The clowns. What's up, dude? Alright, yo, we are here in Busch Gardens.
Hey, what's up? I'm going Falcons, baby!
Yeah, man, we have your GoPro, we have the camera, we have houses, and yo, hey, yo.
What?
Hey, that's good, that's good. Alright, so the last time I came here, I actually lost my phone on Cheetah Hunt, and that's the first time we're going on, so it's gonna be lit. We have a GoPro, so. Alright, we just did Cheetah Hunt. You guys saw footage of it?
Hey, no, don't put that part in.
Why? Why not?
Because I'm ugly.
Hey, dancing boys. But yeah, we're gonna go into Montu at the moment. We have the GoPro recording all the rides, all the houses. So yeah, we'll see you on Montu.
Mateo, no hands! Yo, no hands! No hands! Throw him up! Throw him bitches up! Dale! Dale, cojones! Hi, papi! You're gay.
Alright, we just got off Montu and we're going into Insomnia. It's a haunted house with Chris Boyle. Hey. Oh shit. Good evening. first, you go first. Oh my God. Yo.
Straying from the path can cause trauma to the patient.
Okay, you go. Oh my. Stop.
Give me the bag!
Oh no. Oh hell no. Hell no. Oh. Hell no. Hell no. Yo, Vince. Hey.
We're making it through.
For real. Watch out here. Watch out here. Oh, right here. Hell no. I knew it. Someone right there, Todd. Oh.
Boy, go back to bed.
Go back to bed, mate.
Go back to bed,
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I don't know. It's so dark in here. Yo, hey.
Yeah, we're studying the cure.
Oh no.
What's the cure? What is the cure?
Oh my. Chris. Yo. Oh, what the?
No, chill out.
Yeah. Oh, what the? Oh no, right here. Oh no. Oh, this is creepy. Oh, right here. Yeah, I know. Oh, God, it feels so weird. Oh no, right there.
Oh, that's
Oh, dude. Oh, no. Oh no.
Watch your left.
I know. Oh! Ready. You're ready.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, yeah, it was pretty good.
I was up there.
Busch Gardens, yeah, for Horror Nights. You know, your competition in Busch Gardens, man. It's pretty good. Hello. Hey, oh, he dabbed. Oh. He dabbed, Chris. Hey, he just dabbed. Yo, these people are lit, dude.
I see you.
Hey, whoa.
Acrobatic.
Hey.
Come see the slider.
Hey, that's lit. He's live, bro. Whoa, that was pretty good.
My man, but the camera put it down. She don't give it to you.
Put it down. Down. Hey. Oh, he's still following me. Oh. I wanna. Oh.
Right here.
Hi, Georgie. Hey. Okay.
I fucking like work.
Oh, right there. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Maria. Yeah, just follow us, Maria. Just follow us. Follow us. We know he's there. We know he's there. Ah! There's someone right there. There's someone right there, bro. Hell no. Dude, these scare zones are better than. Dude, these scare zones are better than freaking Horror Night scare zones. Like, no cap.
I'm the queen of the world. The queen of the clowns.
Yo, we're going into a
Black spot.
black spot. Yo, Mateo, you ready? Hey, this is crazy. Oh. What is that, bro? Hey. That wasn't, dude. It smells like weed, right?
That's what
Dude. Alright guys, that was a good house. Dude, I wasn't recording the first part of the house, dude. Alright, I've already caught up with you guys. We're doing a lot of stuff today. We're doing all the rides except Cobra's Curse. And now after Cobra's Curse, we're gonna eat. And then hopefully do at least 1 or 2 more houses. Oh, she's alive.
Go ahead on down there now. Go ahead on down.
Oh.
Get in there! Hurry it up, boy!
What the hell?
Move it!
What the
You
go?
take too long. Go! Get in there!
Oh shit. Alright boys.